Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited to be back here on YouTube. To those who are returning, thank you so much. I love you. Mwah. And to those whom it's their first time, thank you so much. My name is Judy and I am so happy to see you here. You're going to love it here. So yesterday I did some shopping from Naivas and I want us to unpack together as we see what I got. Okay, sawa nitaonyesha hizo zingine. So I got Draco Cube. I like using this one and the green one. The green one should be somewhere here. This one. These two. I got this Morning Fresh orange and tea tray from Naivas still ya kuosha vyombo. Previously I was using ingine hapo, but I decided to start using this one. I saw it at my friends and I was like, I should get this one. Yeah. Then I got this white vinegar, mostly is for washing things. The masala for tea, and black pepper for food. Yeah, I think it makes food it tastes poor. Also ikai poor, especially when I boil eggs, then I sprinkle some black pepper up there. It looks good. Yeah. Then I got Indomie. Indomie comes through when I don't feel like cooking. When I'm feeling hungry, I don't feel like cooking. It really comes through for me. Okay, I also got this Rinsan cooking oil, cholesterol free, edible sunflower oil. I've never used it before, so it's going to be my first time. Yeah, I'm excited about it. I think it looks good, right? I got this one. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. J by Kitu. I'm going to kishika rabbit kitchen towels. Yeah. So right now I'm excited to have them in my house. I got brown bread, wholemeal bread. I'm a big fan of brown bread. This one is wholemeal bread. I'm confused. Brown bread is same as wholemeal bread. But I'm a big fan of the brown one. Toothbrush. I got this one. I've been using Easy to normal, so I decided to use this one because I feel like it's hard and like the bristles look more firm and like they can really clean your teeth. I got this Kiricho Gold Majani tea leaves. I'm a big fan of tea. Chocolates, Vaseline, yeah. Nowadays nimekuja kupenda mafuta solid. I think it's because I work at night and I shower like at night, like naoga ma 3 before nilale. So I feel like it really comes through. Ukijipaka tu mafuta tu una feel tu uko like a baby. Yeah, I don't know, like jioni when I'm not leaving the house, I like applying this instead of lotion. Then I got oats. Oh, let me see what it's recording. I'm kind of worried. Oh, you're there? Yes, it is. It had an offer. This small sugar. Super fast oats. Guys, I've never taken oats. Crazy, right? I've been using Weetabix. So I was like, maybe I should give it a try and see whether I'm going to like it. Yeah. And like a small sugar. Then I got rice. Renee Premium Basmati rice. I've used it before. Yeah, it's sweet and inakuwaga moja. Yeah, Premium Basmati rice. I went for the premium. Yo. Then we have some queen cakes here. Expires on the 10th of September. We have milk. I've never used milk that is put in these type of boxes. Nanunaga zile za packets. but I'm a big fan of Brookside, so I went for this. This is 1 liter. I went for 2. Then the last one, yogurt. I have taken probiotic yogurt, the strawberry one. I've never taken this one, so I'm excited to try. So tomorrow I'm going to be buying groceries. Also at the same time, I made these huge purchase and I wanted us to unpack it together, like just look at it together, see the features together. So I'm going to be doing it tomorrow. Today I want to go and look for an electrician akuze anifixie socket fulani hapo, na pia hapa shika mnaona vile iko. Yeah, so I need someone to come and fix the socket for me. Hi guys, how you doing? I hope you're doing okay so far, guys. Now I'm about to show you my big purchase. We have a fridge. Ow! Honestly, I'm so happy. Can you see that? Let me see what. Yeah. Wow. Oh my goodness. Yes, guys. We have a big purchase in the house. A fridge. Oh. Honestly, since this fridge came to my house, there's just that good feeling that it brought in this house. Whenever I see it when I wake up, I'm just happy. Yes, guys. So we have a fridge in the house. Now we're supposed to open it with you guys. You will make that sound. I am so excited about the idea of having a fridge in my house. Yeah, this is the freezer. Yeah, has two push up parts here and here. The space is wide. Then I'll be putting my ice cubes here. I'm so excited about the idea of ice cubes because of my drinks and also my face. Using ice on my face. I hope you guys can see clearly. So this is where I'll be putting beef things like nyama, chicken, fish, beef. Yeah. Open Nani. This space. Oh! I love how it has all these pieces. I'm not sure if you guys can see clearly. You see that? Four. Then I have this. I wanted a fridge so badly, guys, like so badly. So we need to fix this. Yeah, we're going to be fixing this, and I don't know. I hope I'm on the right track. I think so. Yeah. Quite some work. Damn. I didn't know. Yeah, a screwdriver.
I look at you, you make me blind. Why do you have to be so beautiful all the time? I know I can't be with you. It's killing me to see you with someone else.
So we are going to be cleaning the parts of the fridge, like
all the trays in the fridge, then do some restocking of the stuff that I bought, and also we're going to be restocking it with groceries.
I'm losing my mind. All of the things that I wish I could tell you. Every time when you're passing me by, I fall in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine. And if I only could be there to hold you, it feels like I stop breathing when you're around. I'm in love, there's something about you, I wish you were mine. So many times I wanted to put my arms around you just to be close to you. And in my head, it's just you and I don't know why I feel this way. Now I'm in the corner watching you smile, watching you smile. Now I can't get over you, I'm losing my mind. All of the things that I wish I could tell you. Every time when you're passing me by, I fall in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine. And if I only could be there to hold you, it feels like I stop breathing when you're around. I'm in love, there's something about you, I wish you were mine. I wish you were mine. I wish you were mine. 'Cause every time you pass me by, I fall in love, I fall in love. All of the things that I wish I could tell you. Every time when you're passing me by, I fall in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine. And if I only could be there to hold you, it feels like I stop breathing when you're around. I'm in love, there's something about you, I wish you were mine. Ooh, there's something about you, I wish you were mine.
What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance? And I wonder what's that like? I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. What's it like to hold his hand when he tells you that you are all he wants? And it's midnight, oh, I'm thinking about him. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. doesn't know my name. Ooh, yeah, 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 baby. No, no, no.
Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe.